So for this question, okay, this is basically topic 3 part 1, part 2, sorry, example 2.3. Okay, so without the use of a calculator, I need to simplify the following. So remember that when we are doing operations, what we want to do is we want to work only with like terms. We only want to work with like terms. Okay, so what we try to do is we first try to remove and simplify the brackets in our question. So let's look at A, for example. You can see that if I look at X and X, these are the two that can work together because they are alike. Y and Y, these are the two that can work together because they are alike. But in order for them to really, for us to simplify them, we probably got to take away the brackets first. So negative 4x plus negative y, this is the same as negative 4x minus 7y minus 2x. Now minus and minus, that will give us a plus, so I write it as a plus 3y. Okay, so from here you have negative 4x minus 2 minus 4 minus 2, that will give you a minus 6, negative 6, sorry. Positive 7, negative 7, let me use red color, plus 3, so that's negative 7 plus 3, which will give you a negative 4y. Okay, can? Yep. And for 6b, example B here, this is negative 8y, plus and minus, positive and negative, that will give us a negative. Negative and negative, that gives us a positive. Positive, negative, that gives us a negative as well. Okay, so again from here, if we look at the question, 8y, 2y, that gives us probably minus 6y. Negative 3x, negative 4x, minus 3 minus 4, that gives us a negative 7x. Okay, right, so I'll probably not go through the C and D. I just leave it for you to look at it yourself. The answer for C should be 8x plus 3z plus 3, all right? And the answer for D would none other be 7a minus 10b plus 13. Okay, so I wish you all the best for this example. I hope you succeed. Thank you.